There's no tension. Come back to Daydream's World. That's right, my world. And guys, I went on a tour to Brimstone Hill, Park of Fortress, and I decided to take you guys along with me. So come along for my tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. And I'm just showing you guys a little preview of the view. But let's hello no say. You see them stairs here? Them kill me. I mean them kill me, them kill me. And sorry for almost home, we're kind of sick. And guys, another video if you're not hearing a heavy breathing, just know say that's your girl. Because as I said, these stairs was killing me, and I'm so unfit. Look at that view though. Look at that view. Even the old people, they might move faster than me, like, just to show you almost so unfit. Like, anyways, enjoy the rest of my video. Every day. So okay guys, sorry you couldn't hear what she was saying. Basically she was showing us the Prince of Wales, Boston, right over there. Yeah, that's it right there. Guys, look at that view. It's to die for. And then over there we have Magazine Boston. Yep. Look at that view. Oh, and she was showing us another island. I think it's called Monstrot or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put the name in the video, guys. And also, yeah, that's me zooming in on the island. And I'm showing you guys the view. And these cannon were built in 1782 because there was a breach by the French. So yeah, they built the cannons to protect Magazine Boston. Yeah, the massive wall. So yeah guys, I'm showing you guys the view again. I love the view. As I said before, the view is to die for. This is me heading inside, and I'm going to show you guys through my eyes. So yeah, I think this is basically some of the stuff that we didn't get to see, or some of the stuff that was there back in the days they were showing us. So yeah, enjoy. Guys, on this one, I think these are the people that volunteers are work here. I'm not sure, but I know it's not, back in the days, people. Yeah. So this is me. I don't remember what. So okay guys, this is me showing you the soldiers, what they look like, what they used to wear. And I guess that's what they slept on. So yeah. What's Indian? A day in the life of a soldier in peace. Guys, so basically in this room it's the life of the fortress, and they're basically showing you what the soldiers did in their everyday life. I guess this is when they're getting up, this is when they're taking their bath, this is when they go to talk about what they're gonna do in the fight, or train as we would like to say. This is after that they're having breakfast, they're having lunch, they're talking, and yeah. So enjoy. I really enjoy this tour, and I really enjoy looking at this stuff because I really like. Here they're showing us what the slaves were doing, cleaning, cooking, you name it. Yeah. And these are some of the guns or weapon they use. Yeah. The writings. And here's a uniform that they wore. Here they're showing us the type of disease that they had back in the day, and what they did when they got sick, and after people died, what they did. So yeah guys, and this is maintenance and stuff, and that's a prison cell. And they had I don't know what's that called, a soldier. Guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little history on Brimstone. The first cannon were mounted on Brimstone Hill in 1690 by the British in an effort to recapture Fort Charles on the coast below from French occupation. The British realized the potential of the hill as a place of defense and proceeded to fortify it. The fortress was designed by a British Army engineer and built by African slave workers. In January 1782, during the great struggle among the Europe colony powers and the American Republic for control of rich Caribbean sugar islands, and the Northern American mainland. So okay, guys, sorry. This is me now going upstairs, looking at the view again. Look at the view, guys. Just look at it. Isn't it to die for? It is so beautiful, guys. If you're ever in Nevis and kids, you have to visit Brimstone. Like, guys, I really love it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. And I'm gonna also insert some pictures that I took. Just enjoy the view, guys. Like, look at the view. Oh my god, I love it, guys. I really did love it, and I really enjoyed my tour. I decided to take a picture beside of St. Kitts flag. Don't I look pretty up there? As I said, guys, I really enjoyed myself. And guys, you're gonna see in the next clip me ringing the bell. I really have fun doing that. Yeah, guys, watch me ring that bell. And guys, this is what they use to notify the soldiers that the enemies are coming. So yeah. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you this. The parking where we park now is where they used to gather and march. So yeah, guys, this is me going back down and me videoing the view, because as I said, I loved the view. I love nature. So yeah, I love anything beautiful. The view is great. I loved it so much. Yeah, guys, remember, if you're in Nevis and kids, you should visit Brimstone. I promise you guys, you won't regret it. You won't.